besties, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new in this channel, hi, igama lami nguziseke wakwadlamini, and I am also known as Umaroza on the streets. Please join the family by liking, comment and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, my regular, my day one, thank you for coming back, and thank you for tuning in again. So today guys, it is the 1st of December. It's Friday. I am going to the mall just to get some few things and in Dibuya. So yeah, let me show you what I'm wearing today. So guys, I am wearing this dress from Foschini and my shoes are from Woolworths. I am going to carry this bag from Zara. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. And also guys, I want to address watch kwa American Swiss. This watch I got from a gift on my 21st birthday. But I want to start a library. You drop a incwadi that I borrowed there, and then see there. In mall guys, it's like a walking distance, but today it is hot. And let me put you somewhere so that it's okay. So as I was saying that in mall like a fuchani, but today it is very hot, so I am going to take a taxi. So yeah, iweather namhlanje ayifuni weave, ayifuni makeup, ayifuni nix, ifuna ube njengami befats. Guys, guess what? I'm taking my tripod with me, so I'll be vlogging in public. Then I've always seen camera. I've always wanted to like vlog in public, but guys, yes up. So I'm trying that today. I'm taking myself out of a comfort zone. Yeah, I hope there's a lens I flash because I want this footage. Let's go, okay guys. Hey guys, I just came back from the mall, so I went to Foschini. Then I got the pant. It was 359. Yeah, and then andizilinganisa guys kushushu, so andizilinganisa. And then I got the sandals. They were 200 grams. Then I got them in white again, the 200 grams. Then I went to Mr. Price. I got those shoes. Then the guys. Easy. They were, I think, yeah, $59.99. Then I went to Woolworths just to get spaghetti and beans. Those peg and go. And then I went to Clicks. Then I got this clay mask. It is 3-in-1: white clay, wash, scrub, and mask. And then this sunscreen plus the soap. Then yeah, that's all. Ne? Yeah, and then they adjusted my watch, guys. So I'm happy for that. So I'll be trying this out for the first time, as I told you like before on the previous vlogs, but I don't have a skincare routine, so I want to see what is on the pattern journey. I'm praying but ilungeke sana. Hello besties, it is Saturday the 2nd of December. So today I am still wearing like the same dress because I just woke up. It is 9 o'clock. I am going to fetch a fridge. Previous vlog that been struggling of my transport, but I got a transport ngoku. The total of fridge. And then yeah, because uti ulapha like around, so can't find a class of us. So let us go. Now I have to take this fridge up there and up there. So yeah, I need to do this. Guys, nanti fridge. So man can cook I'm so tired before the crack like in the bag. So let me just take a break. Mna ndiyimbokodo mna guys, ndinxumeni. Ndilanda kuthiwa yimbokodo because thathe i-fridge from downstairs till upstairs. I deserve a strong man, a man that is stronger than me. So yeah guys, so can try like 5 minutes then delay na la fridge. So this is the fridge. I want to show you like out inside. In a freezer, guys. But I don't mind because I'm living alone and I'm just watching on this name. Anyway, so this is fine for me alone. So yeah, enjoy it guys. Yeah guys, this is it. Let me show you lightly. So I have immense so faka le minsi and then namanzi ice block iphumene nalento efaka amaqanda and then ne container ice block. So yeah guys, akhona ndizayithenga for now. I'll only buy ukutya next year because I am going home anyway. So I'm going to need to thenga ukutya. So yeah, I am so grateful man ngezinto indlela ezenzeka ngayo ebunzimeni. Abazali bam akho nto lula guys. But abazali bayazama. Just bantwana babo mama be right, you know. So I am so grateful nayithi like uyazenza indlela namacebo akhe because akho lula usharisha ifridge nabantu, but then kufuneka sinyamezele at the end of the day till izinto zibe right. So now I am going to wash myself. I'm thinking of going to Canal Walk because dine package ekwazara that I need to take. So ndizovasa and then ndihambe. Let me charge this phone then ndivase. Bye for now. Yeah guys, I am done. So yeah, let me show you what I am wearing now. So I am wearing this dress from Shein Big Bag Yam. It is from Foschini, and the same shoes that I was wearing yesterday from Woolworths. So yeah, and watch. Yeah, and just simple as I gonna need to pretend I don't have money. Like mali yamphelile ngoku. Okay, so let's go to Kanalok. I'll just go to Zara and then diphume, guys. I can't need bamandibuke, I can't need bamanditini because andizohlala even etafilini 20 yacha. No, there's no time for that. And money, ayuko.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hello besties, so I just came back from MO. I just want to show you like what I got those shorts, so they were 679. Hope you can see. So dingene nje emall, guys. Puma. I just bought a drink. Yosela. And then that's it. So let me cook anzopekanani, guys. I'll show you like when I'm done. So yeah, I'm so tired. I know this is a massive vlog. Sorry for that. Like okundi tingapha nangapha. So guys, I am done cooking. This is spaghetti.